Legal advisory services versus online legal platforms. Which one is better for SMEs? Most small business owners get this wrong by assuming legal needs are simple until a problem arises. The surprising truth is that the choice between traditional legal advisory services and online legal platforms can shape your business growth, compliance, and risk management. Legal advisory services provide personalized, professional guidance from experienced lawyers. They review contracts, advise on regulatory compliance, handle disputes, and offer strategic legal planning. For example, if an SME is negotiating a complex supplier agreement, a legal advisor can highlight hidden liabilities and draft protective clauses. Their experience ensures nuanced, tailored advice for unique business situations. Online legal platforms, in contrast, offer technology-driven solutions for standard legal tasks. They provide document templates, contract automation, and basic compliance tools, often at a fraction of the cost. A startup needing standardized employment contracts or incorporation documents can efficiently use these platforms without paying early fees. However, these platforms generally cannot handle complex negotiations or interpret legal grey areas. So, which is better for SMEs? For routine, low-risk legal work, online platforms save time and money. For strategic decisions, high-stakes contracts, or regulatory challenges, traditional legal advisory services are invaluable. Many SMEs adopt a hybrid approach, using online tools for everyday legal tasks while reserving professional advisors for critical issues. The key takeaway is that legal strategy is a cornerstone of business success. The surprising truth is that combining accessible online tools with expert legal advice ensures cost efficiency, compliance, and protection against unforeseen risks. Smart SMEs know when to automate and when to consult, securing both growth and peace of mind.